Welcome to the channel, Buzz Technology.
DJI Osmo Mobile to initial, smooth sailing.
We all use our smartphones to film, that's a given. But even with the high-end smartphones having built-in stabilization, video captured on the move still comes out shaky. This is where the Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal system comes in. DJI is taking its already very good Osmo smartphone steadycam and enhancing it for the sequel. The new DJI Osmo Mobile 2 was launched at CES 2018 and promises to nullify camera shake, track objects, and now let you film in portrait mode. We had a play on the show floor with the new second-generation Osmo Mobile to find out what it's all about.
New design.
The design of the new Osmo Mobile 2 follows the same approach as the original, but sees a number of improvements. With the first-generation model, DJI utilized nylon and magnesium alloy for a high-quality, solid feel. This time out, the company stuck with just the high-performance nylon, which makes it ever so slightly lighter, but has made it much cheaper to build. A big addition this time around is the inclusion of zoom controls on the handle, allowing you control zooming via your thumb rather than on screen, while a reconfiguration of the buttons should make things easier to control everything in general. Buttons have been simplified, with some of them doubling or tripling up on duties, and for those who want to use a tripod with the Osmo Mobile 2, there is a 1/4 standard accessory mount at the bottom. Some more professional users may be a little disappointed to see there's no longer an accessory mount on the side, for conveniently attaching external microphones. One major new feature this time around is portrait shooting mode, presumably for Snapchat fans, although you will have to lock in whether you want landscape or portrait before you start filming. You can't switch midway through.
Steadicam time.
Like the Osmo Mobile before it, the Osmo Mobile 2 features a number of modes to make your video shooting as smooth as possible. That includes smooth track mode, smooth track lock, and face tracking. It has DJI's proprietary smooth track technology built in, plus a 3-axis gimbal that compensates for any jittery movements or camera positions. Try as you may, it will be virtually impossible to make video look shaky with the Osmo Mobile 2. One of the staples of DJI's entire ecosystem is ActivaTrack, which allows you to draw around an object or person and have the camera lock onto them. This, powered by AI, is arguably one of the company's most impressive technologies. Using artificial intelligence, the results are really impressive, and in our quick play we're able to move the device around while it was still able to track the target subject smoothly. Another notable difference between the first general and the new model is the battery. Where the previous one had a removable battery, this has a non-removable internal one. While that may seem a downgrade, it's not. Not even close. It means it's more powerful than before. You will now be able to use the camera stabilizer for a whopping 15 hours between charges. That's up from just 4 hours in the original model. And the gimbal can now charge your phone while you use it to extend your phone's filming time. That means no more worrying about whether or not it will survive a full day's worth of shooting.
First impressions.
With new features, better Steadicam smarts, better battery, and a cheaper price, there's plenty to like about the Osmo Mobile 2. If you're already a fan, this probably qualifies for instant upgrade territory, and will be exclusively available for order from apple.com, with pre-orders starting on the 23rd of January. The device will ship from early February.